Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot dog sauce easy method. Start by combining 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup water, and 2 tablespoon brown sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until smooth and add 1 tsp mustard, 1 tsp Worcestershire, and a pinch of chili flakes for depth. Simmer gently for 10 minutes, taste and adjust seasoning, then cool slightly before serving over hot dogs. We'll gather simple pantry staples and prep in minutes. Chop 1 small onion finely and mince 1 garlic clove. Measure 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tsp mustard, 1 tsp Worcestershire, and a pinch of chili flakes. Use low to medium heat and a nonstick saucepan for even cooking. Keep tasting and adjust sugar, salt, or heat to match your preference. This prep keeps cooking smooth and control heat to prevent burning and keep flavors balanced. If sauce thickens too much, stir in up to 2 tablespoon water to reach desired consistency. For smokier flavor, add 1/2 tsp smoked paprika or a dash of liquid smoke. For tang, stir in 1 tsp vinegar or a splash of pickle juice. Store in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 1 week for quick reheating. Serve warm for best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.